Well, reports indicate that 60% of the country's voters will be below 40. That means it's going to be the young people who will be playing the deciding factor this election. We are here with a group of college students who have an opinion on the elections and why one must vote. So, let's quickly just ask them, why do you think one must vote and why would you vote?
I would basically vote because somewhere in the line I feel that I'm over here for the society and probably we are we are the ones who would choose them and they would represent us in the society, and I would definitely vote to such a person who would do something for the betterment of the society and also who would raise the standard of living of each and everyone who stays in the society and help the one who is not being able to come out of the problem or something like that.
But there are also certain few here who are not interested in voting, who are a little pessimistic. Why do you feel so?
Because I don't think so. There are not many politicians who are great. Because in this corruption world, no one can be trusted nowadays. So I don't think so. I should vote. I don't know.
But do you see more and more young people from your college, from your society coming forward and registering for voting?
Yeah, I see many people around
The voters list was totally full actually. There were 200 lists that were to be registered, and I guess it got filled in 1 or 2 days. Even I did not get a chance to register myself, but then it is true that people were interested in voting, and that's how there was one party who was also promoting it so that people register themselves and vote this year.
Okay, so we're saying a lot of young voters. Now talking about young voters, when you think of a young politician, who comes to your mind first?
Raj Thakre.
Yeah, Raj Thakre, no doubt.
Raj Thakre. A bunch of Maharashtrians here supporting Raj Thakre. What's the reason?
It's not only because we are Maharashtrian, but basically because with the bang that he's got into the politics, I feel he's made an impact. I feel that whatever problems people have taken up to him, he's solved most of them.
Okay, but he's come with a bang. But do you agree with his violent ways?
Actually, he's doing good. Actually, I'm not saying in the way the violent thing he's doing, but they are not listening. So he has only the way to do it.
Apart from the young politician, what are really the issues y'all are worried about? Do you think, your parents have been voting, you have a lot of people who will be voting. Do you think terrorism or what happened in Mumbai, on 26/11 is of concern for them?
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's a concern for them.
It's not only about terrorism, but then I feel there are so many other issues that have not even come out of the cover. I mean, girls are being right now only recently I've heard that even girls in Delhi are not yet secured. I mean, there are so many good people over there also, yet they are not able to do it. And similarly over here also small cases do happen of robbery, then girls being raped or they're being harassed, or even old ladies are being tortured by thefts and all.
That concern of, somebody providing you with jobs, of having a job when you pass out is there.
Now to get a job is difficult because of recession going on. And we can't, because with the politicians, it's very difficult to say anything.
Alright. He is of course a little disillusioned with politicians, but most of you here are for voting and want that a system needs to be put together in place for things to materialize. A lot of expectations that young people have from the politicians, whether or not they are satisfied, whether or not they're fulfilled, only time will tell. But really, young people in Mumbai, young people in across the country are up for voting this year. With camera person Prashad Mohite in Mumbai, Prerna Thakur Desai for NDTV.